This 2022 Winnebago Inspire 34A is a Class A RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. This new Winnebago is 35 feet 9 inches in length and features 2 slideouts, a gray, tan interior, sleeps 5, leveling jacks, smoke detector, stove top burner, TV, auxiliary battery, refrigerator, CO detector, air conditioning, microwave, skylight, and 84 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bunk over cab, front dinette, front entertainment, front living area, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bath, rear bedroom, 2 entry/exit doors. This 2022 Winnebago Inspire 34AE is built on a Freightliner XCS 26,000 IB chassis and is powered by a Cummins engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth, visit RVUSA.com.